Hi guys, I hope you're having a lovely day today. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the Boxycharm base box for the month of October right here. My box finally arrived, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys everything that I got, and we're going to talk a little bit about it. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so if you're new to the Boxycharm world, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription service. This box here costs $25 a month. You get 5 full-size beauty products with a retail value of $120 or more. And we're gonna get right into it because I'm so excited to see everything in my box. I know a few things, but not everything. And let's go ahead and see. So I've already unboxed my premium box this month, and I'll link it here somewhere in case you guys want to go ahead and check that out. I loved my premium box. Everything in that box was awesome, so I'm happy to get this one. I've also unboxed, or unbagged, I should say, my FC Glam Bag Plus. And my glam bag I should be unboxing right after this video, so stay tuned for that if you guys like beauty unboxings. But this month for Boxycharm, the theme is Spellbound, which I think is perfect because Halloween is this month. And in the back here you can see the products are in the box, and I'm gonna right away start off with something because I know maybe you guys are gonna ask me. That's on my eyes, which is the palette. I could not contain myself. The first product in my box is the Ace Beauté Falling For You palette. This palette, I was so like nervous that I wasn't gonna get it in my box. This is a new release from Ace Beauté. We've gotten it in Boxycharm before, this brand, and I love their products. Everything I've tried from them, like has always become a holy grail for me. So with fall here now, and I love fall makeup, I needed this palette in my collection. So let's talk a little bit about it. Here it says this one retails for $34.99 and it's a new launch, and I'm actually wearing it on my eyes. I decided to go ahead and do a separate video reviewing this palette because I was not going to have a lot of time today to try out every product because I'm reviewing more makeup for more videos, and I really just wanted to take my time with it. Sometimes when I try out the products, like with the unboxing, I feel like I have to rush through the tutorial, but no, I really wanted to take my time. So I'm going to have a tutorial for this palette the same week that this unboxing goes live, so stay tuned for it. But this is the little palette. How gorgeous. Wow, you got a really nice mirror, and here's what the palette looks like. You've probably seen this everywhere, but I feel like this is the dreamiest like fall palette color story. I can already tell you since I used it, the formula is amazing. The shimmers are stunning. The mattes work like a dream, and I had a great time playing with it. So stay tuned for the tutorial. But I think I'm so just happy that I got it because I know there were a few different variations that you could receive, and not everybody is gonna get this palette, and I'm just so happy that they sent it to me. So thank you, Boxycharm. That was the first product. As you can see, I'm very, very excited. But let's see what's next in my box. Okay, the next product in my box, I'm so happy for too. I feel like this box, just the palette alone, is already worth the $25. Everything else is extra, and this is honestly one of my favorite boxes so far, and I don't even know everything else that I have in my box. But the next product here is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. I don't know if it's niacinamide or niacinamide. I always say niacinamide, I'm not sure, but this is what that looks like. I know that this went viral everywhere, and I've gotten a few Glow Recipe products through Boxycharm and Ipsy, and I love them. Like, they're part of my makeup and skincare routine, so I'm so happy to receive this. So here it says, this retails for $34 right away. This highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. That should definitely help me out. The Niacinamide Infused Serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. Used as a hydrating, highlighting serum before moisturizer or as the last step of your routine. Oh, okay, so before your moisturizer. I'm so happy. I chose this myself, actually. So if you don't know, you get to customize or choose one of your 5 products with Boxycharm. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is so pretty. So I have this serum from them that that we had in a box, in a previous box. I want to say within the last, no, maybe it was last year actually, and I love that. So this is gonna be so nice. Let me actually see what it looks like on my skin, because it says that it's like highlighting. So it smells like watermelon. Wow, that smells lovely. See, and it does like look bright. My super dry skin definitely looks bright right there. Yeah, I love that. I cannot wait to use that in my makeup. Literally next time I do my makeup, that's gonna be used. And I love that. I love getting products that I know I'm definitely going to get use out of. So I'm so happy so far. The third product in my box is the Tynt Beauty Lash and Brow Duo. Wow, that would have been so exciting to try. I'm going to have to figure out a way to include it in a future video. I have so many videos to film. So many awesome ideas. I always have so many ideas, but I want to like try this out on camera. But it says here, this duo solves the endless search for mascara and brow gel in the abyss of your makeup bag. It combines two products in one. The mascara is created with a smooth, oil-rich formula with strong color payoff, leaving lashes longer, naturally fuller looking, and thicker without clump. The brow gel is fine and creamy with enough color to achieve natural hair-like strokes of color for fuller and well-defined brows. Retail for $29. That's so cool. So you have a brow gel and a mascara. I think that's awesome. I love the packaging. It's like ombre effect. Wow. I was watching somebody else's unboxing. I think her name is Just Ann. She was unboxing her base box, and she had this product, and she accidentally used the mascara as a the brow gel as a mascara, and she was confused, but she said that it actually made her lashes nicer. Like it lasted longer throughout the day and like it held them in place, which is interesting because the brow gel is brown and the mascara is black. But I thought that was really cool. So she was actually recommending that you should use that if you want to use it like sort of like to set your lashes. This is what the Mascara Wand looks like. I maybe shouldn't have opened up, but I'm gonna have to find a way to use it up. I've been getting a lot of new mascaras lately, but I've actually been getting a lot more use out of them than I normally do because I've been wearing like less and less lashes. And this is the brow gel. The brow gel seems a little light for me, but Just Ann says that she used that brow gel on her lashes. Who knows? I might try it out just to see when I'm at home to test out what she said. But that's a really cool product to receive, and I'm happy to have gotten that. I love that. I love getting makeup. Anything makeup related I love, so I'm happy with that product. And next here is the Jelly's Beauty Wing Stamp Eyeliner. Another interesting product. So that's what it looks like. So it says here, now wings are easier than ever. This stamp liner comes with dual sides, one wing shaped and one traditional pen shape. Super easy to use even for beginners. Just press the stamp onto the outer eye area and then use the pen side to connect and perfect. Retails for $22, and this is a new brand to Boxycharm. I think this is interesting. I wonder, I feel like everyone, well not everyone, people like me, normal people who are not makeup artists, like struggles with their wing liner. I definitely do for sure. So, oh wow, this is so awesome. So you have a regular liner on this side, and this is the stamp. Let me see if you can actually see. So it's like it's like shaped almost like a triangle. That is actually awesome, and I cannot wait to try this out for sure. Okay guys, so the last product in my box is the Julep Makeup Removing Towelettes. Simplify your routine with these 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. So retails for $20, and it's a new launch. Now I tried to use different products to remove my makeup, but I do need wipes. This will last me forever because it's a huge pack. I tried to use things that are more environmentally friendly, but I do need to I do use it to smells lovely, to remove different kinds of makeup that are really tough, like that hard to like, how do I say, like stuck on makeup basically. It smells lovely though, like not super fragranced, but it smells nice, and I like that. So that was the last product. So I got a pack of wipes. I also received a beautiful eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty, Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops, Lash and Brow Duo, and the eyeliner and a stamp duo. So I feel like this is an amazing box. For $25, I feel like the base box cannot be beat. No matter what they do, raising prices, everything, the base box is always better in my opinion. Overall, like even on months that we get luxe, base is always kind of better. So I'm so happy, and I'm not going to cancel this box anytime soon. I'm so happy with it. But let me actually add up the value and see how much I have total value in my box. Okay guys, so according to my calculations, my box this month is worth $139.99, so $140. and I think it's awesome. I loved it. It's one of my favorite boxes that I've gotten in a really long time, and I'm so happy with it. I love everything, and I'm gonna get use out of all of it. But that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Stay tuned for the tutorial of the Ace Beauty palette. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.